You have objects inside a frame in Figma and want to remove the frame without deleting the objects. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. If you want to keep the frame but make it invisible, do the following. Select the frame. In the Design tab, locate the Fill property. Click the minus button next to the fill color to remove the background. The frame will still exist, but it won't have a visible background. If you want to remove the frame but keep the objects inside it, right-click on the frame. Select Ungroup from the context menu. This action will remove the frame, but the objects inside it will remain intact. If you want to move objects out of the frame before deleting it, go to the Layers panel. Click and drag the objects out of the frame and into the main canvas or another group. Once the objects are outside the frame, you can safely delete the frame by selecting it and pressing the Delete key. After ungrouping or removing the frame, you might want to keep the objects together. Select all the objects that were inside the frame. Right-click and choose Group Selection to group them together.